In this Paracourse lesson, we want to model this parametric facade, a random triangulation of the facade, which you can see here. And we're going to model this from scratch. As you can see, we can change the dimension of the facade, so it's really easy to make a vertical facade here. Then we're going to define an offset, which will define where the triangles will be developed, which I will explain later. And then we have the number of the triangles we need inside the facade, and also changing seed, which we can define different results. Then we can also define the frames. You can see that the frame is on the outside of this facade, and also a seed which could change and see different results. And next we can control the z direction of the random of these points. You can see that if I change this, we can get and control the z direction of the mesh, which I will explain. And also you can see that we can produce different random results by changing the seed and make the facade completely random. Then we have to control the frames, which you can see that I can change here and produce different offset and thickness. Basically, we can also change the thickness of these frames, which will give us a thickness like this. And finally, we can also put them on the ground. You can see that I have put it here for the windows, and we can also see the numbers. Let me just turn this on. You can see the number of the frames, and also here we can see the number of those windows and also the frames. So you can control that by just a simple rectangle and dimensions of like this and the distance, and produce different results. Okay, so this tutorial is going to help you to understand how to model this parametric facade, a random, completely random triangles, and model this in Grasshopper.